Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to save as PDF in Canva. This is a canva.com website, and first I will open one of my recent designs. This is a YouTube thumbnail, yes. Now to save this Canva as PDF, just click on this share button from this corner. Then click on download. From the file type list, select PDF. And from the select pages, you can select the number of the page of this page, or use the current page if it is the current one. Click on done, then hit this download button. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now my Canva PDF is downloaded, and let's open it. And this is my Canva as PDF. And this is how to save Canva as PDF. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.